Today, everyone. My name is April Lindanao, PSIT3. So this is our admin dashboard. It shows total sales, total orders, revenue, and canceled orders. Sales trend are displayed through charts for quick performance monitoring, inventory alerts, and notify them admin when products are running low. The order page displays all customer orders with status indicators. Admins can mark order or shipped, canceled, or refunded. Order details include customer name, items purchased, payment method, and delivery info. Product management page lets admin add new products or edit existing ones. Products can be filtered by category, status, or vendor. Each product shows name, stock level, price, and quick action buttons. Admin can delete products or change visibility to status or out of stock. Best-selling items and pending tasks are shown for easy tracking. The customer page management. This all is registered customer. Each profile shows purchase history, contact info, and total spend. Admins can search, filter, and message customer for promotion or updates. The report page shows sale performance, revenue charts, product analytics, and traffic insight. Refunded statistic and product performance comparison help improve business decision. The setting page allows editing store profile and managing staff accounts. Payment methods, tax settings, and notification preference can be configured here. Admins can adjust system level configuration whenever needed. The support page includes facts or frequently asked questions and guides for admin help. Admin can send message to support through chat or email. Support tickets can be tracked with status indicators like open, pending, and resolved. Now let's go to the user panel. The landing page shows seasonal banners, featured collections, and shop now button. Categories page display product groups like bags, home page, big sales, featured items, and recommended products. Product grid shows bag prices, discount, and add to cart options. About Us page explains the brand story and what makes the shop unique. The Contact Us page lets user reach support through chat, email, or phone. Home page lets users search item, view features, products, and access trending leads. Product listing shows product image, prices, reviews, and filter options. Product page display photos, description, related items, and buy buttons. Product details where we can see the details of a product. Cart lists selected items with quantity control and total price. Checkout shows address, payment method, order summary, and confirmation. Confirmation. User profile contains personal info, order wish list, and notification. Order tracking shows shipping status, delivery updates, and order details. Wishlist saves item and alerts user when stock are low. Search tools show matching products with filters and related suggestions. Customer support offers fax, chat, email, call, and ticket updates. That's all. Thank you for watching.